Hi, this is Sarah from Align with Sarah. I am seizing the moment and putting this video out there because our piece of wellness, or my piece of wellness, or this piece of wellness for this month is growth, and really looking to stimulate my growth and finding really beautiful places to, put some shoots out there and dig my roots in a little bit deeper and embrace this like healthy trunk of my tree of life. Um, is seizing this moment. And I have thought about this video almost every day of this month. We're halfway through, more than halfway through this month, and I'm doing it right now. So we have these fabulous days. We have these experiences where, um, we hope to have our best friend send us a text message. And then, as we're looking at our phone, this message comes through. And when we very often can have this instinct to say, I can't believe it. This video is about stop saying one thing, and it is removing that sentence from your life, from your mind. I can't believe it. Because when we say those things, when we were trying to manifest this experience, money coming into our life, happiness, companionship, a better job, health, when we're really hoping for health and we're working towards it, when we say that sentence, it's not full of gratitude. It's not leaning in towards that experience that you believe in, that you want. It's kind of doing the opposite of that. It's leaning away from it, kind of with doubt. Like, I can't believe I deserve this. I can't believe this is showing up. I can't believe this is in my life because I don't deserve it. Like, there's a lot of ways you can finish that sentence. And there's a lot of ways that you can replace that sentence in, I am so thankful to hear from you. This is so wonderful. This makes me feel so supported. Can you think of something else that add that in the comments? I feel like that's a good way to push that out there of offering this um, engagement. What can you replace that with? Think of things right now. And when we bring our awareness to things that we don't want in our life, which, what we don't want can't be a goal, but it could help build us into the goal that we want. When we bring awareness to this thing of like, oh, yeah, that doesn't feel very good. That doesn't feel very full of gratitude. That doesn't feel very full of love. We we align those sprockets of life inside of our body into being aware of that doesn't fit anymore. So we hear it more often. We notice it. And then that magic formula, noticing, shifting, and a lot of listening brings up amazing results. I guarantee that. Look at my hands going. I'm so excited. So this video, one thing to stop saying to help you connect with growth is removing that phrase, I can't believe this is happening. I can't believe it. Whatever it is, I can't believe the replacing that, finding something right now, deciding that if I hear myself saying that, I'm noticing that. I'm waking up to that. If I hear myself saying that, I'm going to acknowledge it, channel some love rising into my experience of growth, and say, I'm so thankful for this experience that I'm replacing that statement with, and you could say those words, I'm replacing that statement right now with, I'm so thankful that this is happening. This makes me feel like whatever. I'm worth it. This makes me feel like I'm important. This makes me feel like you were thinking about me. This makes me feel like um, you value my attention. What does it make you feel like? And how can you express thankfulness or gratitude? Endless love and gratitude is what I love to say. Um, I'm offering that also here. Endless love and gratitude for the impending success that you're about to have, bringing this new awareness to this wonderful area to tweak, to allow more growth into your life. So thank you so much for being here. Thank you for bearing with my excitement. And I will talk to you again very soon.